Doing some cleaning up at the dirt pit here since the first of the year. Got a buddy of mine disking up this acreage for me here with about as ugly a tractor as I think I've ever seen. Hard to see it right there, but we'll look at it when it comes on back down this way. Hauling dirt today with the new dump truck and the super dog. And the aluminum dump trailer with all the patches in the floor. I think I'm going to put a liner in it. That's an ugly animal right there. Got an air-cooled engine. I forget how many horsepower, but it's a right good bit. Belongs to a farmer friend of mine, Mr. Coleman. Deutz-Allis. Just about an ugly tractor, but it pulls good and I think it runs good. Well, there you got it, cleaning up at the dirt pit.